Alright, welcome. To find the smaller value of x for which this expression is undefined, this is just asking us to set the denominator equal to 0 and find the values of x. When substitute into this expression, will make that expression to be 0. This is question 50 of February 2025 core mathematics paper. So first thing to do is to set your 4x squared minus 9 equals to 0. Then in doing this, we are to solve it as an equation, but we can see that 4 is a perfect square and 9 is also a perfect square. So I can rewrite this as 2 exponent 2 x exponent 2 per the laws of indices. Since I have these two numbers multiplying, having the same power, it becomes 2x all raised to the power 2. So this is 2x all to the power 2, then 3 exponent 2 equals 0. This gives us 9. And this will give you a squared minus b squared, which is giving us a plus b, a minus b. That is a difference of 2 squared. So I'm seeing the 2x being my a. So that becomes 2x plus 3 into bracket 2x minus what? 3, all equals to 0. And when we are multiplying two numbers that their result is 0, it means either the 2x plus 3 is the 0 or the 2x minus 3 is the 0. Now this is where we transpose this. So become 2x equals to negative 3. Since we are looking for the x alone, we divide by 2, divide by 2. So this implies that x will be equals to negative 3 on what? 2. Then we need to also look at the fact that 2x minus 3 also equals 0. When we transpose this out, your 2x will be equals to positive 3. When divided by 2, x will be equals to 3 on 2. So to me, we are having two values of x. For one, which is minus 3 on 2, positive 3 on 2. The question is asking for the smaller value. Between this and this, the negative will be the smaller value. So therefore, we can just conclude that the smaller value, that of x, right, that will make this expression to be undefined, is minus 3 on 2. All right? If you understood, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe.